This is Atarian News Channel, and here are the main stories of the day. First up, a new tool is making waves in the domain hunting community. TLDX, short for Top Level Domain Explorer, is a lightning fast command line interface designed for rapid domain name discovery across multiple top level domains. Unlike traditional web based platforms, TLDX offers high performance and automation capabilities, making it ideal for developers and cybersecurity professionals seeking efficient domain reconnaissance. In a world first initiative, Brazil is piloting a program allowing citizens to manage, own, and profit from their digital footprints. The D Wallet project enables users to monetize their data, marking a significant shift in data ownership and privacy. This groundbreaking move positions Brazil at the forefront of digital rights, potentially setting a precedent for other nations to follow. GitHub's introduction of AI generated issue suggestions via Copilot has sparked controversy among developers. Many users expressed concerns over the quality and relevance of AI written issues, with some opting to migrate their repositories off the platform. Developers are calling for options to disable AI generated content, emphasizing the need for human oversight in code management. Britain's first electric flying taxi, the VX4 developed by Vertical Aerospace, has completed its inaugural flight in an open airspace, achieving speeds up to 150 miles per hour. This marks a significant milestone in urban air mobility. With government support and private investment, flying taxis like VX4 could revolutionize short distance travel in the UK by 2028. A study involving large language models in a vending business simulation revealed critical flaws. The AI, tasked for managing inventory and finances, made erroneous assumptions leading to operational failures. These findings highlight the challenges of deploying AI in complex, real world scenarios, emphasizing the need for robust testing and oversight. Technical details of a critical vulnerability in Cisco's iOS XE software have been made public. The flaw, identified as CVE 2025 2188, allows for arbitrary file uploads, posing significant security risks. Organizations using affected systems are urged to apply patches promptly to mitigate potential threats. Chris Hemsworth has bid an emotional farewell to his role as Thor after 15 years, leading to fan speculation about the character's fate in the upcoming Avengers Doomsday. While Marvel has not confirmed Thor's storyline, Hemsworth's departure marks the end of an era for the beloved character. Meta plans to automate up to 90% of its product risk assessments using artificial intelligence. This shift aims to streamline evaluation of privacy, safety, and compliance across platforms like Facebook and Instagram. While enhancing efficiency, the move raises questions about the adequacy of AI in handling complex ethical considerations. UK startup Spaceforge has secured $30 million in Series A funding to develop semiconductor materials in space. Utilizing microgravity conditions, the company aims to produce higher quality chips with fewer defects. This innovation could lead to significant advances in electronics, impacting industries from telecommunications to computing. And finally, China has hosted its first ever humanoid robot fight night, showcasing advancements in robotics and AI. The event featured robots battling in a controlled environment, highlighting both entertainment and technological progress. This spectacle underscores China's growing investment in robotics, blending innovation with public engagement. And that's all for today's edition of Italian News. Stay tuned for more updates on the cutting edge of technology and innovations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.